Shalom. I want to begin first and foremost giving all praises to the Heavenly Father, Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Yahweh Shai, whom the world ignorantly calls Jehovah and Jesus. I want before I give all praises, the real name of the Father is Yahweh, which means He exists. The real name of the Son is Yahweh Shai, which means He will deliver because He will deliver His people. I want to give all praises in the ancient Hebrew tongue, all facing the east towards Jerusalem. Call halal, la, Yahweh, Bahasham Yahweh Shai, Bahasham Rakakutash, Barakata Yahweh, Barakati Yahweh Shai, the water, Yahweh Bahasham Yahweh Shai, Bahasham Rakakutash. Double honors to the apostles, to the elders of Yasharala, Greatmillstone. Shalom to the 144,000. Shalom to the elect, the nation of Israel, or the descendants of the slaves identified as so-called African Americans, Hispanics, Latinos, and Native Americans. My name is Micah, and today I want to talk about birth pains. A war breaks out between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Both sides suffer losses in border clashes after Islamabad pushes Taliban to crack down on militants. Dozens of fighters have been killed in border clashes between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The Pakistan military said 23 of its soldiers were killed in the clashes on Saturday, while the Taliban said it lost 9. Right, so things are looking real ugly, man. Geopolitically, worldwide. Right, here you got natural disasters. All right, Spain getting massive flooding, and it's in that same area that where they had the flooding like a couple of months ago. That area is really prone to flooding. You could see it's no joke. It's no joke. It is no joke. Just look at that. All right, yeah, this is just the Lord warming up when you think about it. This is just the Lord warming up. He's just, you know how you got in baseball, the pitcher warming up in the bullpen. The Lord is warming up to strike out people. All right, let's see. Same thing in Mexico. All right, it's just it's just crazy, man. Like if you live in an area near a river, you better watch your ass, man. Hey, and I'm saying this. I live next to a river. I live like let's see, like half a mile from a river. But it's like on a it's really high up above the the river's water level. Shit is no joke, man. Lord, bringing flood, moving whole cars, man. People probably trying to rent second floor homes and shit. Like, they don't want to hear nothing about no first floors. Dude stranded on top of his car. It's crazy. It's like Mother Nature just claiming shit. It's crazy, man. I read in another article that some people were stuck in their cars, like just floating down and shit, just hoping it'll get caught somewhere safe. All right, and here we got massive 7.4 earthquake in the Filipinos. So you can see the Lord is not joking, man. Got people hiding under desks, people running out of buildings. Man, just whips straight up moving like that, like outside, man. It's crazy, man. Shit is crazy, man. The Lord. And this is just the Lord warming up. All right. I'm gonna end it with this. Matthew 24, verse 8. All these events are the beginning of labor pains. All right, that's what it is labor pains. All right, when a woman's about to give birth, them pains start getting more intense, more painful, right? More severe, and that's what's happening more frequent, and these things are just happening more frequently. It's crazy how this man, yeah, Yahweh gotta be right around the corner, man. All right, because these are birth pains, and then birth pains signify what that a baby's about to be born. But in this case, all right, that's Yahweh Shai, and all these events are an indication that he is right around the corner. I'm gonna leave it there. I hope the video is edifying. Shalom.